As our pursuit of innovation and progress never stops, we will continue to provide upgrade service for MG1200Bi. Users can update the firmware by themselves to access new features. Step 1. Connect the USB drive to the computer. Open it and right-click Properties to check if it is in FAT32 format. If not, you need to format it to FAT32 first. Step 2. Open our official website and go to the product page of MG1200Bi. Find and download the required firmware at the bottom of the page and store the file in the root of your USB drive. Step 3. Turn off the fixture and insert the USB drive into the control box. Step 4. Turn on the fixture, it will display the upgrade interface. Wait for a few minutes and it will automatically jump to the main interface when the upgrade is successful. If you encounter any problems during the process, you can contact us for help through the information at the bottom of the official website.